This 1967 Ford Mustang is also an Italian exotic. Here's how. At first glance, it looks like a classic American muscle car. A 1967 Ford Mustang with its iconic fastback profile and Detroit attitude. But dig deeper, and you'll find something truly unexpected. This isn't just any Mustang. This one has an Italian soul. Listed on Bring a Trailer, this rare example blurs the lines between American muscle and European craftsmanship. MotorHub 1003 brings you the full story of how a piece of Ford history also became a piece of Italian art. This Mustang started life just like any other, built in America, powered by a roaring V8, and made to tear up the streets. But what sets this one apart is what happened next. In the late 60s, it was sent to Italy, where it was rebodied by the famous coach builder Intermeccanica, known for turning ordinary cars into rolling works of art. The result? A Mustang unlike any other on the road, one that looks American but feels truly European. The exterior is a total departure from traditional Mustang design. Sleek, hand-formed Italian bodywork replaces the original steel shell. The lines are more refined, the curves more artistic. It's as if a Mustang was redesigned by Ferrari's stylist. Inside, the cabin features European flair, leather-wrapped surfaces, custom trim, and unique gauges that are more at home in a Maserati than a Mustang. Mechanically, it still carries American muscle, but the rest screams boutique European craftsmanship. Cars like this are almost mythical. Very few Mustangs were ever rebodied by Italian firms, and even fewer survive today. This particular example is believed to be one of only a handful ever made, making it incredibly rare. For collectors, it's the kind of vehicle that turns heads at shows and sparks conversations wherever it goes. It doesn't just bridge two continents. It unites two very different automotive cultures. Now listed on Bring a Trailer, this 1967 Mustang turned Italian exotic is generating serious buzz. Enthusiasts are flooding the comments with questions, and bidding is expected to rise quickly. With its unique provenance, handcrafted body, and undeniable presence, this car is a guaranteed showstopper. It's not just a Mustang. It's a story, one that collectors with deep pockets and a love for the rare and unusual are eager to own. This car is the perfect fusion of muscle and elegance, Detroit power wrapped in Italian passion. For collectors, it represents more than a vehicle. It's a one-of-a-kind collaboration across oceans and design philosophies. At MotorHub 1003, we believe cars like this remind us why we love automotive history. It's full of surprises, artistry, and stories that are still being written. If you want to stay updated on rare auctions, collector finds, and stories that defy expectations, subscribe to MotorHub 1003 today.